New to mini splits? This is the perfect video for you. Della mini splits are the ideal HVAC solution, offering both cooling and heating in a compact, efficient package. Here are all the basics so you can buy one today. First, confirm the room's square footage. Easy, right? BTU stands for British Thermal Units and indicates the amount of heat a mini split can remove or add to a room per hour. Units generally range anywhere from 5,000 to 56,000. The larger the space, the higher BTU you need. Bigger isn't always better with mini splits. Having more cooling power than you need might increase your utility bill. Before buying a mini split, you should only increase the BTUs you need under these circumstances. A 25% increase for climates regularly exceeding 90 degrees Fahrenheit, a 30% increase for older homes with poor insulation, and a 15% increase for rooms with ceilings taller than 8 feet. Also, your room's temperature is affected by direct sunlight exposure, floor type, carpeted versus hardwood, proximity to kitchens, number of occupants, and the quantity and condition of windows and doors. These factors will also bump up the amount of BTUs you need. If you have a home or multiple rooms, you can opt for a multi-zone setup. Mini splits allow you set custom temperatures for each room. Stay tuned for our next video and article for more in-depth info. The SEER rating system, which stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, is also important. The 2 is for the new standard. This rating measures how efficiently a cooling system operates over an entire season. A higher SEER rating signifies greater efficiency and potentially lower energy bills. However, the ideal SEER rating depends on how you intend to use the unit. If you need cooling during the summer, a lower SEER model might be cost-effective due to lower upfront costs while still being efficient. For year-round use, choosing a higher SEER unit costs more upfront, but leads to greater long-term savings on energy costs. Best of all, most mini splits, especially Della products, qualify for rebates. First up, check with NEEP, the Northeast Energy Efficiency Partnerships, which covers 12 states in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic areas, to see if rebates are available in your state. If NEEP doesn't have rebates for you, don't worry. You can still take advantage of federal rebates. These are available in all states and are part of the Energy Star program. If your mini split is an Energy Star model, you could be eligible if it's a 9 HSPF2 in the South, or if it's more efficient than 9.5 HSPF2 for the rest of the USA. And if neither of those options work for you, it's time to look into your state's specific rebate program. Each state has different rules and rebate amounts, so check your state's program for more details. For personalized advice and to ensure you're getting all the rebates you're eligible for, don't forget to consult with your tax professional. Finally, make sure the unit offers both cooling and heating if you plan to use it throughout the year. Smart features like Wi-Fi connectivity, different modes, fan speeds, and a user-friendly remote control are essential. We recommend professional installation. But if you are a DIY person, then make sure to ensure proper placement, have all tools, be ready to buy extra materials, handle refrigerant pipes carefully, bundle the line set correctly, vacuum pump the refrigerant circuit, and ensure safe electrical connections for optimal performance. Now you're ready to shop for your new mini split. So why Della? With advanced technology and a limited lifetime warranty, Della offers reliability and smart features like the Della Plus app control anywhere, anytime, along with geofence technology. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information about everything in this video, read our technical article in the link below.